Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are taking a close look at the Mansory Elongation Evo, a heavily modified version of Tesla Cybertruck. And trust me, it's unlike anything you have seen on the road. The Mansory Elongation Evo is powered by 3 electric motors, and the 3 electric motors produces up to 845 horsepower and a massive 980 pounds of torque, giving it incredible acceleration. It can sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.6 seconds and reach a top speed of 160 miles per hour, which is electronically limited. That's to say, those motors can go more than that, but the company give it its limit. Get me? Mansory completely turned the Cybertruck with an aggressive carbon fiber body kit, wider fenders, and massive 26-inch wheel. Inside, Mansory upgraded the cabin with premium leathers, carbon fiber, and custom details. But here is a question: would you rather ride the Mansory Elongation Evo or the Tesla Cybertruck? Just let me know in the comment section, and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more car videos like this. Thank you.